Welcome back in part 3. In this video we will going to see how you can use edit tool. Here you guys can see I already imported some photos in project. In edit tool there are options like split, speed, volume, delete, style, filters and many more. Let's see use of each tool. Now I am playing one of video. Now I want two parts of this video clip. That time I will use this split tool. When you guys want to cut a single video into two videos, then move pointer on that particular time and press the split button. I will cut video into two parts. With the help of this tool, we can split video in multiple times. So this tool is very handy when you are editing a big video. Our second tool is speed. In speed option there are linear speed and curve option. You can slower your video till 0.1x and make faster till 100x. Usually video editors provides till 20x fast speed. Second speed tool is a curve. This is one of the favorite feature in Capcut app. You can make fast or slow video in 2 seconds. Let's see how it works. If you drag this pointer in upward direction, then video will be faster. And if you drag this pointer in downward direction, then video will be slower. You can add or delete the points on this curve. You guys can increase the speed till 10x and decrease till 0.1x. You guys can manage the curve as per your video. Here are some presets of curve are available and you can apply to your video. You can see output of this speed curve. It's amazing. In this way you can turn a normal video into awesome one. Next tool is volume. If you want to adjust volume of your video, then you can do it from here. You guys can mute or boost till 1000. The default settings of the volume is 100. Our next tool is animation. Most of the viral reels uses this animation tool. There are 3 main settings available in this option: in, out and combo. In animation can be applied at the start of the video clip. There are many animations available and can be used on your photos or video. Out animation can be applied at the end of your video clip. Blue color represents in animation, where pink color represents out animation. The combo animation contains in and out animation. It is widely used in a photo sync reels. You can see, preview and apply to your photos or videos. So I suggest go and try these 4 tools and tell me your experience in comment box. And don't forget to mention your favorite tool among split, speed, volume and animation. If you really like this video, then please press like button. Stay tuned for next video because I will come up with new tools and new videos.